This is part 2 of our lesson on measurement practice. So our question here says, calculate the perimeter of the following shape. So perimeter is just the distance around the outside of the shape. So I'm looking at this and I see that it has 4 sides, 2 straight sides and 2 curved sides. So I am just going to letter these so I can keep track of which one's which. I might call this A, B, C, and then this one D. So to calculate the perimeter of a shape, we are going to just add all of our outside sides together. So my perimeter is going to be A plus B plus C plus D. Now, I know that side A is 70. And then side B, this marking is 60 centimeters, but this side is curved, so I don't think that's 60 centimeters. We are going to have to try to figure out what it is. We will come back to that. C is the same as A. It is 70 centimeters. And then side D also is curved, so I have to try to figure out what that side is. So in order to calculate my perimeter, I am going to have to try to figure out what is happening with those 2 curved sides. Let's start with B. So B appears to be a part of a circle, and I believe that it is half of the circle, that we have the bottom half of the circle there. I know that going across the circle is 60 centimeters, so that would be the diameter of my circle. And in order to calculate the perimeter or circumference of a circle, I can either do pi times the diameter or 2 times pi times the radius. Now, since I know how far it is all the way across, that's the diameter, so we're going to do pi d. So I don't want to do C equals. I could for circumference. I think I might just do P for perimeter. Doesn't matter. Is pi times d. But that's a full circle, and I actually only have half of a circle. So I am going to divide that by 2 so that I only have half of that circle. So my perimeter, or I could actually call it side B. Maybe we'll do that instead. Is going to be pi, I'm using the pi button on my calculator, times the diameter, that is 60, and then divide that by 2. So side B is going to be pi times 60, and then it's only half of a circle, so divided by 2. And I got 94.24. The next digit is a 7, so that's going to be 94.25. And that should be centimeters, since all of those are marked in centimeters. So I know that this side, side B, is 94.25 centimeters. All right, then we need to do D. So if I look at D, it is also half of a circle, and the diameter is also 60 centimeters. So side D is actually going to be the same size as side B because the circle has the same diameter, which means I don't need to do another calculation. I can just reuse the 94.25. Okay, so now that I know all 4 of my sides, I'm going to add them together. So we are going to do 70 plus 94.25 plus 70 plus 94.25. And I get a grand total of 328.5. Now, all of my measurements are in centimeters, so this is centimeters, and I haven't multiplied them by anything, so my final answer is just 328.5 centimeters. And anytime I do more than one calculation, I like to write a little sentence. So I'm going to say the perimeter is .328 0.5 centimeters. Okay, that's going to do it for this question.